Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Recently, we have been on a vacation to Chennai with our family, and truly we had an amazing time enjoying all those dishes over there. They are truly tasty and yummy. So not only we enjoyed it, but I want you all to enjoy the same. So here I come with Idiyappam, the most famous dish of Chennai. So let us see how to prepare this. First of all, here I have taken one glass I'm showing here. With that glass I have added 2 glasses of water and allow it to get a nice boil. The other hand, take a bowl and add 1 glass of rice flour into it. With the glass I have taken the water with the same glass. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil into it, and after you get a nice boil of water, turn off the stove and add a ladle of water first, and with the help of the spoon you need to stir it nicely, all the rice flour. Do not put your hand because you may burn it. Again I have added another ladle of water, hot water into it, and then again give it a nice stir. Don't add all the water at a time because it depends on how much water the rice flour absorbs. Now here again I have added half a ladle of water, and then that's it. When the dough is warm only, you need to press it gently and knead it nicely into soft dough. So see, it's almost smooth and soft. Now time to knead it into a soft dough. So it takes almost 4 to 5 minutes, and then you'll get a nice soft dough. Normally you can add this rice flour available in the shops. If you have time, this instantly you can prepare it. If you have time, you can prepare rice flour at home itself by soaking 1 full glass of rice in the night and then draining the water, and then you can blend it in the morning into fine powder. Now take a murukku making machine, and you need to take the plate with which have the smallest holes and then grease it with oil as I have shown here. Now take the dough, you need to divide it. Don't add the entire dough. You need to add the dough till it is 3/4 occupied, and then you take this small part and again you need to prepare into a smooth dough, because if you add it as you like, the noodles which we are preparing will break in the middle. But as I have told you, if you add it continuously like preparing a small ball and then you press it gently, then you will get long noodles as I have shown here. Now take a plate, and I have taken banana leaf. If you have, you can, otherwise grease your plate with a little bit of oil and then press it gently like this into long rice noodles like this. That's it. It's almost done. Now take a idli cooker. Otherwise you can take any big bowl and add water and put a stand on top of it and place the idiyappam plate like this. I have added water, I have put a stand and then a bowl, and then on top of it I have placed the plate because I need some height. If I put it down, the water will come on top of the idiyappam and that will become into a paste like consistency. Steam it for 4 to 5 minutes on high flame, and that's it. Our idiyappam is all ready. Idiyappam is most popularly served with this vegetable stew. This is an amazing combination, this idiyappam and the vegetable stew. In the coming video I'll be showing you how to prepare this vegetable stew also, because this is prepared with coconut milk and it has an amazing level of taste. Trust me, you'll truly enjoy this. Please do give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.